What's up, family? I hope everybody's doing good. Today we're going to go over how to purchase and sell options contracts. All right, let's jump right in. So in front of us, we have the Thinkorswim platform. When you open it up, this is going to be the first window you see. So what you're going to do is you're going to look up here and you're going to go to the Trade tab. Okay, this is the Traders tab. When you open up this tab, what's important for getting involved into a position is going to be right here, this search bar. This is going to be the first thing you're going to do, because when you get a trade alert, the very first thing that you're going to see in the trade alert is going to be the company name. All right? So, for example, today we put a trade up on Visa. So right here in the search bar, you see I got the V there already for Visa, and I'm going to hit enter to make sure that these options contracts belong to Visa. The second thing that you're going to see in an alert is going to be an expiration date. So using that same example that I sent out today, you would be looking at the November 19th 240 calls. So we see here November 19th, we're going to click on it and it's going to drop down a menu. Okay? Right here on the left side, we see we have calls. And then over here on the right side, we have puts. In the middle, we have a strike price. And we also have expiration. But we already know that we're looking at November 19th expiration date. All right? 90% of the trades that I send out, family, they're going to be calls. So whenever you come into Thinkorswim to make a purchase, you're going to be looking at the left side of the screen where it says calls. Okay? So we got Visa, we got 1119, and it's a 240 call. So the call, the 240 and the call, that's the strike price. And we see here, this is the strikes. And when I go down, there's no 240. And that happens sometimes, family. So what you need to do is come up to the middle here where it says strikes. We're going to click on this button and we're going to click all. And now every single contract that Visa has for November 19th is made available. We're going to be looking at the 240 calls. So that's going to be here. 240, and in the alert today I said that these are going to cost $15. I'm making this video a couple hours after I sent out that alert, so as you can see, the price has begun to move. These things are up about 50% right now. Okay, family, so what we're going to do is we're going to click here, and this price, this premium of 23 cents. And the reason we click here is because this is the ask column. So there's a bid column and an ask column. It's much like when you go to an auction. The bidders are the people who want to buy. They're making offers. And the sellers are people who are asking. So down here, the 240 calls, the bid is 22 cents and the ask is 23 cents. I love when the bid-ask spread is very, very tight like this. Okay, because that means that you can get in and out of the trade without losing money. In this specific contract, you can get in and out and you will only lose $1, because if you want to get in right away, you're going to pay the 23 cents. And if you want to get out right away, you're going to pay the 22 cents. The difference is 1 penny. In premium, that equals $1. All right. So we're going to click here, and then this screen will pop up. All right. So we have single order, buy, one contract, Visa, 1119, 240. Right? That's the strike. It's a 240 call, and then here's where you get to set your price. So from that alert I sent out, they were at 15 cents or $15, because in premium, you have to times everything by 100. So 15 cents is $15. Okay, then you're going to confirm the order. Buy one Visa contract, November 19th. It's a 240 call at 15 cents. And you see here it converts the premium and it shows you $15 cost of trade. Then you will submit it and your order will go through. Okay. If we go here to the monitor tab, In the working orders, we can see our order right here. It's called a working order because it's still working. It hasn't filled yet. If it filled, the order would have been down here. Okay? So I'm going to change the price of this contract, of this order, so you guys can see what's like when it gets filled. Okay, so I'm going to cancel and replace it. And then the price was 23 cents. So I'm going to move this from 15 up to 23. And I'm going to send the order. That noise represents the purchase was complete. So I'll go back to monitor. There's nothing in working orders, but now it's in filled orders. And we can see the order filled today at 12:32:44. We got one contract on Visa, November 19th, 240 call. And we got it for 23 cents. Okay? Down here, we can see the position. So we're already down 2.5 or 2%. Right? We got in at 23 cents, and now it's down 0.5 cents. So basically, the price went from $23 to $22.50. All right? Pretty awesome. Now, we're going to go over how to sell these things. So imagine Visa went up 100%. So I bought them at 23 cents, and now they're worth 46 cents. And we want to sell and take profits. So we're going to click on our position, and we're going to hit create closing order. Now we're going to sell this contract. Because I want the sell order to go through, I'm going to sell it at the price that they want, which is 22 cents. Okay, because I want to sell it and just get out of the position. So we go over the order details once again. It's a single order. I'm selling the contract. It's just one. Company's Visa, November 19th. It's the 240 strike. It's a call option. And this is the price I'm selling for, the premium. Okay? It's a limit order. A limit order means that I am setting the price myself. Day, that means the order will be open for 1 day and then it will automatically cancel itself. And then exchange. We're going to leave that alone for now. Okay? So we're going to confirm. Here's the details. Selling one contract, $22, 22 cents equals $22, right? And then we're going to hit send. And then you see up there it says sold. And if we come to our monitor screen, we can see. Okay, so we bought one contract for 23 cents, and then we sold it for 22 cents. All right, family?